that early morning, I saw a little thing spreading all the ground uh, in my garden. The small mushrooms are everywhere in my garden, have spreaded. They have sprout like flowers, so nice and beautiful. They all are like flowers. In the garden also have spreaded some mushrooms. You can see. They trampled by my child. That have grown everywhere. Like a flower. Can you see? Have a little road also behind it, and little strength have strength more than other mushrooms. Some mushrooms are not strength. We can make squeeze them totally, but this is can't like that. This is little have a good strength. I think because of this, still this mushroom have in the sun in the noon time. I think when sun getting up, mushrooms are never having till the sun up. They are dying, but this mushrooms are didn't die is mean these mushrooms are very strength than other mushrooms. Let's see. I saw some mushrooms have front side also. See my little kittens. They are resting. One is near the bike. Here have also spread on the place. These mushrooms are smashed to anyone's legs, but they are still alive. Yesterday had a rain. After that rain, have grown all the mushrooms. They have spreaded everywhere in the garden. They have smashed to somebody's legs. See, but still alive. Nice. I'll see you with another video. You can say with hi and can say hi with my cat. Okay, bye. See you later.